What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install a distributor on your small block Ford or your small block Chevy. Wherever cylinder 1 is on your engine, make sure it's at TDC on the compression stroke. Make sure that this contact here is in position with the number 1 spark plug on your cap, and then you're good to go. Drop it in.
Alright, go ahead and just keep rotating her. Sucking. Pushing air. Pushing air. Pushing air.
Okay. So can you see the TDC mark?
On the crank?
Yeah.
I need some light, but... Whoa, hold up. Half an inch. Right there, stop.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this into the block, and if it doesn't go in right away, it just needs a little bit of rotation to make these teeth mesh with the camshaft.
So you can rotate the top to change the helical
Yes,
gear?
or you can rotate the crank, which is thus rotating the camshaft to get it to drop it. So I'm just going to move it right here, back and forth, to make it shimmy into place. This surface touches the block. You engaged your oil pump shaft correctly, because the oil pump shaft is about this long, and if you weren't engaging it correctly, this surface would not be flush with the block. So that's what we're shooting for, is to get this flush with the block, and we know it's engaged all the way. Spark plug 764, auto light, that's what I use. Okay guys, like I told you, I installed the distributor straight up, which means the contact on the distributor that rotates and makes contact with the spark plug wire is literally sitting right on top of cylinder number 1. And I told you that rotating the distributor clockwise is advancing the timing. So I know the distributor is straight up. So I'm just going to give it a little bump clockwise. Like that. Just give it a little bump so it's a little advancement. If I had to guess, that might be like 4 degrees before top dead center. So I'm going to go crank it and make sure that we're on the right tooth, no weird noises or backfires out the intake. So let's turn the fuel pump on and crank it over. So I guess before I start the car, I'll show you guys what a timing light is and how to use one. Black, red. You can probably figure that part out yourself. This is a coil that measures the voltage. Well, technically it measures the magnetic field around the wire when voltage passes through it. We're going to put this on spark plug number 1, cylinder 1. I told you small block Ford is first one right over here. So the coil's on. So 2 different type of timing lights. The basic cheap timing light, you don't have an option for advancement. It's just going to flash whenever the spark is fired for whatever spark plug wire you have the coil on. This one's a little more expensive, and I can pick the advance. So instead, I'll pick the base ignition timing I want to set my car to, and then all I have to do is turn the distributor until this flashes at the TDC mark. So this is compensating for the advancement I want, so I just look for the TDC mark
on the crank pulley,
on the harmonic balancer. Alright, go for it. guys, I hope you liked the video. Timing set, we're ready to go. You got any questions? Put them in the comments. That's what we're here for. I'd love to answer your questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.